Please, may you introduce yourself?
My name is Alaba.
Wait, just come back for the amount. Where are they from?
Are you set?
Where is it? Okay. Okay, so we're set. Okay. Please, may you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Honorable Mbolu Kujofu, popularly known as Mayudu, the President General Alaba Amakwete Council of Social Affairs, also the President of Fancy and Furniture Dealers Association.
I know what the essence of the debate.
Yes, actually, the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, in the person of Dr. Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, came to sympathize with the members of Alaba International Market based on the demolition exercise that took place some weeks ago that was not followed due process. So when this incident before the traders of Alaba International Market, we cried out to the state government to come and investigate the actual thing that really happened in Alaba, because we understand that those of them who went to governor really misinformed the governor. So, and we have cried out to some of our Igbo leaders to come and know exactly what really happened. Today, the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide decided to come in person to see this himself. He has seen it, and all his entourage that came with him, they have everybody seen what happened. It was a land grabber in connection with the Gulf state government that came to take over the land from Alaba International Market. Actually, there are some defect building, but if there is any building that is defect, there are due process to bring it down. We are not saying that any building that is posing danger to the life of the citizens or traders of Alaba should not be brought down by the state government. We know that. But what we are saying is this: the process followed in bringing all these structures down was not proper. And we want the state government to come and investigate because of this demolition. We want the Igbo community and our leaders to also investigate because of this demolition. Because these buildings they demolished have been there for the past 30-40 years from now, and some of the buildings they demolished are in a proper shape. So what they did to us is improper. It's as if they did not recognize or they did not remember that this is an international market, one of the biggest markets in West Africa. Yes. And you can see the IGR being generated from Alaba International Market. Now you can see the job created by ourselves, not the federal government, not all the state, by all the traders of Alaba International Market. From what you have seen here today, you can see both the secretary, both the boys, a lot of people who are feeding from Alaba International on daily basis. But today, they have scattered, they don't have shop, and their goods being demolished. So what we are pleading with the state government of Lagos State is to come to our aid and investigate the remote cause of this exercise, because it was done wrongly.
Now a committee has been set up after the visit of Governor of Imo State. Now with the visit of the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, do you hope to get justice?
Yes, actually, you can see how our people are smiling today, because we know that his presence coming to Alaba International Market has put a lot of smile in our faces, and we know that he's capable. You know, he can do something to make sure that we are not completely ruled out when all this matter will be discussed. And the committee is set up by the Governor of Imo State. They are yet to come. I'm still waiting for them as the President General of Alaba International Market. They have not come. Whenever they come, they will not tell us maybe the way and manner they want to carry out the investigation. What is important to us is for them to come and investigate the level of damage done in Alaba International Market, one of the biggest markets in West Africa. If actually those buildings are in defect conditions, there are processes. Were those processes followed? The answer is no. You came to us, you asked us paper, and knowingly fully well that market is under the local government. We pay our tournament rate, we pay our taxes. So some of the shops they demolish. Is he supposed to have paper from the state government or the government? That is the question. So thank God for Dr. Emmanuel Iwanya, who has come to assure that definitely he will also toe the line of the governor of Imo State by ensuring that justice must surely follow.
Okay, sir. Just as a follow-up, sir. You know, last week the governor of Imo State, with accompanied by I think the governor of Enugu State,
They
came to meet with